This is Cooking Made Simple. I am MindBlown Chef. Today's recipe, we are taking a leftover hamburger hash that we did. I will put the link to that video in this one. And we're gonna make stuffed cabbage rolls. That's right, that's what we do on this channel. We take one recipe and then we take the leftover from that recipe and make two recipes so you're completely efficient at home and you have no excuse not to cook now, do you? Let's get going. So the only thing I need to do to the leftovers is I want to cut the potato in there. I want to cut them down. I'm going to cut them in half once again to all the potatoes that are in there. That's all you need to do. It'll just make it easier to wrap them in the cabbage leaf. So all my potatoes are cut. I'm going to go ahead and turn my oven on 350, get that preheating. Now I'm going to use cast iron pan. If you have a baking dish, that's fine too. Use a baking dish. Here's what I got. I got a can of sauce. You get your favorite sauce at the store, right? I got some cheese too. That's the only things we're going to add to this. I have my blanched cabbage right here. Now, if you don't know how to blanch cabbage for cabbage wraps, I have a video. I will show you step by step. Again, no excuses. That's what I love. No excuses. Now, if the can doesn't open, I got a trick for you on that. Just hit it on the edge and look, it pops right open. Voila, right? So, here's what we're gonna do. Like I said, I have cast iron pan. If you want to use a baking dish, use a baking dish. Same results, doesn't matter. What we're gonna do is we're gonna just take some, we're gonna lay it out, just like that. Not too much because you want to be able to get a nice roll on it. We're gonna put the cheese on there. I have a mixed cheese, use whatever cheese you want. Alright, then we're gonna I'm gonna roll it like a burrito. So you roll the side up, you kind of squish and push together your fingers. Take this part, fold it over, take this part, fold it over. As best as you can. I mean, it's cabbage, so we're trying our best. And then you roll just like that. Now, I'm gonna put the root side. This is the root side, the tougher side. You want that to be down in the pan. So that way it doesn't come unraveled, and we're gonna lay it in the pan on that sauce, just like that. I'm gonna cover these up. Reason being is you want more of a braise and a steam because your leaves will get dried out if you don't cover them in the oven. So I just have some foil here and I'm gonna wrap it on my pan. That's it. We're gonna place it into the oven for about 30 minutes. All we're trying to do is melt the cheese and warm the inside. Okay, let's check and see what we got. Take these out of the oven. Beautiful. Alright, so I just want to check and see and make sure that they're all hot all the way through. Just take a fork, sit in the middle, and then touch it to your lip. If it's hot on your lip, they are ready. These are ready to go. I'm going to go ahead and finish these. I'm just going to sprinkle on some parsley right on top. And that is it. If you like this super awesome leftover video, give me a thumbs up, consider subscribing. Those cabbage rolls, sexy. Hamburger hash that we did, we're gonna take those and we're gonna make, no, how do I say this? Redo.